Hey, good morning or good afternoon, guys. It's Diana and JR from Destination Unknown. And look where we are. You hear that? Me neither. Thank you to JR's family for getting our truck fixed. Appreciate it very, very much. Wow, she's so quiet. Here you go, guys. It's just Summer, Arkansas. It's a very nice house right there. Now what would it be coming up here?
It's a church.
It's the church. Some old houses. Well, don't look like it's used anymore, or is it?
Yeah.
Oh, they do? Sorry. So nice to be able to drive the truck and not hear that clunk, 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 clunk. Thank you so much to Trevor. Appreciate it. You are awesome. Thank you so much. What's that, a clock tower?
That's the courthouse over there.
Oh, okay. It's just a small town in Arkansas. Very nice. They're building something over there. They knocked it down. What building did they knock down over there?
Used to be a furniture store and a shoe store, and
That's an old place right there. And there's people driving up on the levee. Now the levee, JR says, goes all the way around town. And they kind of use it as a shortcut sometimes. Yeah. Or is it mostly used by the police and the hunters?
It's used by a little bit of everybody. It's just a way to take a nice.
Sorry.
Just a nice little ride without leaving town.
Yeah. But everyone has been very nice. I appreciate everything they're doing. It's good to have family. That building looks really old. But yeah, it's part of Arkansas, guys. And we will, okay, let's try that again. I was showing you the Lion's Den, where I believe all the probably teenage girls that have lived in this town or still live in this town have worked there.
Pretty much.
I know JR's sisters worked there, his older daughter worked there. Down there used to be where the old bridge was, but they blew it up. I'm gonna see if I can get you guys a little video of it. I might not be able to because it might be copyrighted and I can't put that up. But if I can get somebody's video from their phone, JR's family, I think somebody may have taken video. I might be able to show you guys. They're blowing up the old bridge. What we're going to go on right now is the new bridge, right?
Yeah. We'll cross the White River, and then we'll cross Old River. I can't remember all the different names for all the stuff out there. There is some campgrounds and stuff out there, though, and it's free to camp there. It's really crowded during hunting season. I don't know. I'll see if we can get down to it later. Might have to see if we can get a different vehicle.
Okay. But yeah, I did catch a little bit of a cold being here. Wasn't feeling good yesterday, so I stayed in bed. But I need to get out. Need some fresh air in my lungs. And it's cold, fresh air. But these over here, they fill up with water, right?
Yeah, all this floods when the river gets up real high.
Can you see where the old bridge was from this one, right? Or the trees might be in the way right now?
I'm not sure.
Well, I can see it, part of it. Let's see. Over there, if you guys can can see, that's where the bridge, old bridge was. They blew it up. There's the tree. There it goes. If you can see, parts of it still in the water. They're taking it out. But yeah. The bridge we're going over is the new bridge.
I think it's probably been here for probably, say about 5 years now.
Really? Okay. Yeah, the closest Walmart to where his family lives is 30 miles away. So that shows you how far and how in the country they live. Small town. And there is part of the lake. What do you call that lake?
It's the river, babe.
Oh, the river? Okay.
That's Old River over there. And the campground, so we can still get to it from here. You used to be able to get to it from over there. There's the road.
Sorry, guys.
It's been a while since I've been here. It's kind of taken me a minute to remember where everything's at.